Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your Lovable website to rank higher on Google in 2026, SEO search engine optimization is essential. Lovable includes built-in SEO tools, but many users don't know where they are, what actually matters, or why their site isn't ranking. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to optimize SEO in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So you have to know some common SEO problems users face, like website not appearing on Google, pages indexed but not ranking, missing titles or descriptions, images slowing the site, duplicates content, and mobile SEO issues. Okay, so first thing first, log into Lovable. Okay, so open your website's editor, go to site settings. Okay, go to SEO. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, this is the core SEO control center. So you will find here the settings or site settings. You have to tap it, then choose SEO. So these appear on Google search results. Okay, so site title like clear, keyboard focus like 50 to 60 characters, meta description like compelling summary like from 140 to 160 characters. Okay, for example, title website designer in Casablanca, or website or web designer in Paris, fast and modern sites. Description, for example, professional web design services in France, fast, mobile friendly, and SEO optimized website. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.